Good morning. What is up? I am at the grocery store, and today is the day that I'm gonna let ChatGPT decide what we're gonna have for dinner. The only thing that I will not let it do is pick salmon, because Jonathan hates salmon and he will refuse to eat. So let's just get right into it. I'm gonna go to ChatGPT and I'm gonna tell it to pick my dinner. So let's go. I'm just gonna say, give me a recipe for dinner for 2 people. Don't include salmon. Alright, I'm nervous. I'm so nervous. Creamy lemon chicken pasta. Ooh, okay. Okay. I can get down with this. It just keeps going, and I'm like, oh wow, it really keeps going. Okay, let's see here. I do have chicken at home, so I'm not gonna buy that. I'll use garlic from the garden. Let's see. I actually have pretty much all of this at home. I'll buy the linguine, chicken broth. I'll buy a lemon. Yeah, I literally just need to go buy like 2 things, I guess, because I have everything else. It's kind of a fail, but like, let's go buy the stuff. What's up, guys? I just wanted to jump on here and say that I have a poll on my community tab on my YouTube to select what protein that I prompt ChatGPT with for next week's video. So if you want to vote in that, that'd be awesome. Peep Calvin, we just got done at the dog park, and yeah, he had a good time, as you can see. Anyways, back to it. Let's get back to it. So that was like kind of a fail. I did get the linguine, and I got lemons, but they like didn't have hardly any lemons, so I got this weird organic lemon bag thing. I don't know. Anyway, it didn't take long. That's all I got. Let's go home. Okay, we're in the kitchen. Gotta make our creamy chicken lemon pasta. I got a lot of the things out to prep, but I'm gonna turn on this burner, put in like 2 tablespoons roughly of olive oil, because that's what the recipe says. That's what I'm following it exactly. So got that going. I'm gonna boil my water for pasta. I'll salt it once it starts getting warm, and I'm gonna season my chicken with salt and pepper, because that is exactly what the recipe says. And then we'll put it in the pan to cook. I'm like out of pepper. I'm gonna have to resort to the other pepper. It doesn't say how much salt and pepper on the recipe. It just says salt and pepper. So this is what we're going with. Recipe also said to use chicken breasts, but I already had chicken, so I'm just using the chicken breast tenders, which is basically the same thing. Okay, I'm just gonna put my chicken in and then season the other side. Now, the recipe says to let it cook for 4 to 6 minutes, so that's what I'm gonna do. Obviously, I'm gonna make sure the chicken is cooked though. I'm not gonna just follow the recipe blindly. Okay. And then once the pasta water starts boiling, I'm going to use half the box because the recipe says 8 ounces for 2 people. So I'm just going to use half the box of the linguine. I'm just going to put this splatter guard over the top because I do not like greasy messes in my kitchen, and this helps a lot. Okay, so the water is boiling and I'm going to add half the box of linguine and cook it per the directions on the box. Okay, I'm going to flip the chicken. It's been about 3 minutes or so. So I'll cook it for another like 2 minutes. 2 or 3 minutes, we'll make sure it's done. Not yet. That one's done. That one's also done. That one's not. Nope. Okay, chicken's done. So I'm gonna take it out, put it on this clean plate over here. And then it calls for 3 cloves of minced garlic. So I went out to my garden, got some garlic, and I'm going to add my garlic. Okay. It says to cook your garlic for like 2 minutes, but I'm probably not even gonna let it cook that long because this pan is hot and I don't want to burn the garlic. And then after this, I'm gonna add 1 cup of chicken broth. Okay, pasta's done. It doesn't say to keep any of the pasta water, so we're not. Unless I missed it, but it says drain the pasta and just leave it there. Also, it's time to add the chicken broth, I think. So we're gonna do that. Yeah, that looks good. So it says to let this simmer for like 3 minutes or something, and then add lemon juice, lemon zest, and the cream. So I'm gonna do that. Also, check out these ball jars that I found at Target yesterday. They're like limited edition or whatever, and they have bees on them. They're just like the regular 16-ounce ball jars, but they were super cute. So they came home with me, and now I'm drinking out of it. Alright, now the recipe says to add like a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. So we're gonna add the juice of 1 lemon. And someone in the comments said to turn the lemons this way, so we're trying that out. Seems like there was a seed that went in there. Whatever. I'm gonna turn it back. We're gonna get all the juice out of there. So this is like a freaking giant lemon. It like doesn't fit. like taking all of my effort. Just gonna do both. This lemon is so big. Yeah, that's probably good. And then I'm going to add the zest from this lemon. Okay, I'm gonna let that simmer for a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna add the heavy cream. Alright, I turned the heat to low, and now I'm gonna add 1 cup of heavy cream and a half cup of Parmesan cheese. And I know I said I wasn't gonna be exact and follow the recipe like exactly, but I'm not gonna measure the cheese. We're gonna go by like handfuls. That's probably like a 1/4 cup. And it's probably 1/2 cup. That might be a lot, but you know what? Cheese is the best. So I'm gonna mix this up, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, I am going to add the chicken back, and then I'm gonna add the pasta. I'm not as sure exactly what order it says to do this in, but like, I don't feel like it matters because it's all going to the same place. Yeah, he's hungry because he smelled the chicken. You can taste it. Got some chicken. I give it a 6. I think it's pretty good. Do you think it's really good? Mm-hmm. Okay. You heard it here. A 6 and an 8. That averages to a 7. What's up, guys? This is me in editing. And I wanted to change my rating on the pasta. I give it a solid 8. Maybe even a 9. It was really, really good. When I first took a bite, I feel like I didn't get like enough of the sauce. That's why I gave it a 6. But like, you should definitely make this pasta. It was so good. Jonathan was like, I think this tastes like it came from a restaurant. Like, it's that good. And he definitely told me to make it again. So I'm changing my rating from a 6 to an 8. It was super, super good. Anyway, I think that's all I have to say, but like, oh, my dog is dead from the dog park. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. You're awesome. Subscribe if you want. Comment, like, all the things. I have a TikTok now, if you want to follow that. Anyway, have a good day or night. Whatever. Have a good one. Bye.